Booyah! Welcome to another episode of Hot Rod City. We are, me and Old School. We in the middle of nowhere. And I mean this because, like, there's, like, woods everywhere. So, I've gotten to the point I'm not very fond of the Colorado. So, I've been working on a van to replace it, but it's still at the shop for a few weeks now. And I don't know what's going on. But Old School AJ calls me and says, "Hey man, I know about this truck." I was like, "Man, I don't know. I don't really want another vehicle at the moment. I got 30 in the yard." But he's like, "It's a diesel." I don't know if it'll come into focus or not. There it is. So, that's it. I looked at it the other day, and it's his old boss's truck, and he's selling a house. So, I'm buying a truck. I didn't want another vehicle, but anything's better than driving that Colorado everywhere for the shop. So he's earned up the tires, and we're gonna put it on this trailer and take it home. I don't even know if it runs. There's no batteries in it. I'm waiting on Scrapman Mike to give me some. I guess we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna get this winched on. I brought some GoPros today so I can try to get better at this. So I got a set of batteries from my old scrap buddy, and what I'm gonna do is make new battery cables, because these are the Chevrolet ones. This bolts into the front of the battery, and these strip out a lot because it's this steel bolt threading into a lead battery post terminal. So I'm getting rid of that and going 2 steps farther. I'm putting these posts on here, these little wing nuts, because a lot of my commercial vehicles I'm changing over to industrial batteries, and they have screw-on posts like this. When I say industrial batteries, it's kind of like equipment batteries, bulldozers, big rigs, and stuff like of that nature. But I'm going to make new batteries and terminals and all new cables. The way I'm going to do this, I'm going to take them off individually, one at a time. Take each battery cable off and make a new one in its vein, in the same vein. So I'm doing positive and negative. I have a rebuilt starter. I have a local place run by Mid-Nights. It's like half Amish. So I gotta drop mine off, and that joker was like 200 bucks. Pretty much exchanged it for that. I'm not happy. I got a puddle of tranny fluid underneath the truck. No oil though. But I'll get this in, and I've been charging the batteries. Alright, so I kind of smooshed the little remote wire, and I want to know if this thing starts. I've been at it for like an hour or so trying to get that 437 kilo-pound starter in. So, Old School, if you want to do me the honors of turning the key on, and we'll cross our fingers and cover our private parts and see if this thing starts.
prime it again?
Yeah. Alright, in case we blow this up, we're just going to give it a quick poof.
Yeah.
I'm going to try to crack a injector or two and see if I can get anything. So I'll check back with you in a minute. Last episode for the cheap diesel truck challenge was the 96 K2500, the turbo diesel. I paid $750 for, and I got some batteries. The smart battery charger said they were bad, but I kept like putting it on a trickle charger that's old school that doesn't actually like do anything. And I was walking by the truck in through the garage putting tools away and decided to just hit the starter button on it because I didn't hook the wire up, and this mamma freaking jamma started, and I couldn't rhyme a reason why. It stinks, so it is some bad diesel fuel. So, radio works. I don't have any, I got brake and ABS lights, but that's because I got a brake line that's rusted out. This freaking camper's in the way. I moved it so I could work on the new garage, but the freaking skid loader won't start either, so I'm just, it's like, yay, that starts, but now the skid loader don't start because the starter is no freaking going bad. There's solenoid on it, so. But I realize I haven't filmed nothing in a while because I've gotten word I'm gonna be losing my job. They're gonna be shutting the plant down in about a year. So, which means I don't know what I'm gonna be doing in a year, but still gonna keep playing with my stuff and potentially my upholstery. I don't know why on camera my hair looks so like thinned out on the one side. It's not as bad as it looks. So we're actually waiting on little Willie to come back. He took the shop truck. Well, I so graciously let him use it to go pick up a pit stand for his dirt bike that he needs to keep here because he doesn't want his baby mama finding out he bought a dirt bike. So if she watches this, that's not my fault. I didn't tell her. I just record my thoughts. But the truck's running. It don't seem to be overheating or anything yet. It is getting a little warm, but I'm gonna check on it. But I figure I'd show you guys what my $750 diesel truck got me.